Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do another round of blend it and read it. Helped. Helped. Be sure you're helping me sound these out, boys and girls. I night. I didn't hear you. Be sure you're helping me. Tools. Ing. King. On. Pond. Did you just do that with me? Be sure you're making the sounds and blending these words with me. Make. Able. Able. Run. Now that we've finished blending and reading our words with the sound spellings, you're going to look for the sound spelling sheet, EOY, Words with Sound Spellings 3. And you will be reading and looking for these words in your word puzzle. Helped, night, tools, king, pond, make, able, and run. Good luck, boys and girls. I know you're going to do a great job because you're great students and hard workers.